Today I'd like to talk to you about who has the rights to an appraisal. Hi, my name is Andrea and I've been a residential appraiser since 2009, carrying out over 10,000 residential reports ranging from financing, refinancing, market rents, progress reports for new builds. And the majority of this work has come from lenders requesting appraisal reports. And lenders request an appraisal report when they have a client that comes in to request a financial product. And when working with a homeowner in carrying out these requests, there's one question that I'm asked over and over again, and that is, do I get a copy of that appraisal? In this situation where a financial institution has requested an appraisal, the answer here is no. And in this video, I'd like to explain to you why that is, even when you see yourself as the client. In providing a professional service, an appraisal report form includes the details of the assignment. In the assignment portion of the appraisal report form, it includes the following details: the person's name that the report is supporting and their relation to the property being appraised, the purpose of the report, the intended use, and the intended user. The intended user and the intended use is who owns the report and what it's being used for, regardless of who might be paying for the product in the end. The lender is requesting an appraisal for a part of their due diligence in carrying out your request for a financial product that you're applying for. The lender just wants to know that the funds are being released for a viable request or investment. The final appraisal product is protected for the user's sake. An appraiser is following industry protocol in protecting clients' privacy by handling an appraisal appropriately. By handing out an appraisal to a third party would be considered careless or acting in a negligent manner. And by not practicing due diligence, this could be bringing harm to an intended user. So this is why an appraisal is not handed out to whomever might ask as I cross their path. Now, having said all that, I would like to make 3 additional points. It has happened where an individual will go to a mortgage broker in order to find the most favorable lending conditions, because the mortgage broker has the ability to go to several major lenders in order to secure financing. But in many cases, it's not the mortgage broker that is ordering the appraisal, it's the underwriter. And it has happened where the mortgage broker will call me up or email me and let me know that it's okay to release the report to the client. But the mortgage broker is not the person that requested the report, nor are they indicated as the intended user, and I'm not able to follow through on those instructions. Secondly, it's not that an appraisal report can't be transferred. There is something called a reliance letter. A reliance letter can be drafted when, say, somebody contacts me privately and orders an appraisal report and clearly communicates to me to address the report to an alternate intended user. This alternate intended user does not become the owner of the report. The ownership of the report remains with the original requester. And when it comes to further instructions, the instructions need to come still from the original requester. And lastly, if you had an appraisal ordered for you and you would like your own appraisal for your own business, you can hire the same appraiser because you're confident in their skill set, you know they're familiar with your area, and now they're familiar with your property. You just need to wait for a transition period in order for the intended use to be completed from the original report, or a 30-day period. I'll be talking to you in upcoming videos about how long an appraisal report is valid for, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos. So I hope this video cleared up any questions that you had about distribution of an appraisal report and adds confidence to you about how an appraiser will protect your interests and privacy. If you did have any other questions or need clarity about a particular situation, please be sure to write in the comment section and I will get back to you. And if you found this video informative, please be sure to like and share. Thank you, and see you next time.